Together we stand in the heart of this land. Through steel and stone, we've called this place home.
Hi, my name is Latasha Whitaker, and we're here at DCA1 Amazon Fulfillment Center. I train associates on how to engage with operational robotics to effectively and efficiently deliver on the customer promise.
Welcome to Misty Meadow Farm Creamery.
My name is Susan Banks. I'm the Director of Dorchester County Economic Development.
And I'm Tina Thompson. I'm the manager here at the Eastern Shore Innovation Center. Welcome to Dorchester!
I'm Barry Pritchard. I'm the owner-operator of SunX Analytical. SunX, just from a historical perspective, was the first legal cannabis business in Maryland in that we were the first registered testing company for medical cannabis.
I'm Derek Taylor. Everybody around here call me AB, and I'm CEO of Barzini Family and Barzini Investment.
I'm Jayla Lees. I'm a singer and songwriter, and I'm also an artist that works with Barzini Family.
Here, you're in our recording studio, something that we did out in Cambridge or the Eastern Shore, so we can help a lot of youth express themselves better.
Good morning. Welcome to RPM Tech in Forest Hill, Maryland. My name is Cyrus, and I'm the president and founder of RPM Tech. We are a product development, engineering services, and prototyping company.
I'm Dan Wigger. I'm one of the owners of Upper Stem Brewery.
And I'm Shelley. I'm Dan's wife. I am the assistant brewer and one of the co-owners of Upper Stem Brewery. We're the front-facing part of the brewery. We're here all the time.
My name's Nate Kraft from Pathfinder Farm Distillery in Boonesboro, Maryland, where we grow this heritage variety of corn called Bloody Butcher, and I like to say we're turning sunshine into moonshine.
Hi, I'm Amanda Fenstermaker. I am the Merge Community Manager here at the Packing House, and I love this project for so many reasons, but it is a multi-purpose project.